Hi, I'm Lauren Gordon. Hi, I'm Lauren Gordon. Hi, I'm Lauren Gordon. Thank you so much. It's so good to see you again.
All the way, Lauren.
Say what? Like, am I showing too much cleavage? And I used to be a lawyer, but I hated it, so stopped doing that. And then I raised 3 kids who are amazing. I said, I want you home at 10 p.m. and not a minute later. Do you hear me, young man? And I decided, now that they're older, to try my hand at acting, which I've always had an interest in.
Hi, Jack. Bye, Jack.
Stunt work is for the birds! Lauren Gordon by day, Cat Crusader by night. And I've always been a very humble person and so grateful for all the things I've gotten in life. Honey, how stupid are you? I said I wanted the Mercedes S-Class 2018 in black. Is that so hard to understand? This is my last cigarette, I swear. I'm quitting. These are gonna kill me. I've always been into healthy eating and I've always been into healthy eating and living a healthy lifestyle. I'm a hot yoga instructor. I hike with my dogs. I play tennis. I ski. I just love the outdoors. Meow 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 meow. Hi, I'm Lauren Gordon, and I'm the one you want for your next production.